Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, in this video, within 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you 4 important sentence types in IELTS. If your target band is 7 and above in IELTS writing, if your target band is 7 and above in IELTS speaking, this video is for you. But if you're looking for 5-6 band, don't watch this video. Enjoy yourself. Okay. All right. Well, there are 4 types of sentences which are highly regarded in the eyes of examiner for high band score. Out of 4, there are 4 types of sentences, but out of 4, 3 types are extremely important. And in this short video, I'm going to teach you this sentence type. These sentences are simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. Okay. So without any further ado, let's make a start. Let's see. First, we've got this sentence structure which is simple. Now, what is simple sentence structure? That is, computers can be very useful. Now, how to learn it? Very, very simple. All you guys need to do, you need to have a pen and paper. On top of pen and paper on top, write computers can be very useful. Now change it. Environment can be very helpful. People can be very useful. Right? Crimes can be very dangerous. Alright, so just try to write sentences like that. So what is it? It's a simple sentence, and you can write any simple sentence. For example, a simple sentence has got subject, verb and object. Now, when we join 2 simple sentences, it becomes a compound sentence, and for band score 7 in speaking, 6.5 to 7 in writing, you need to make compound sentences. So we've got this compound sentence structure here. Computers can be very useful. Now notice there is a comma, and they have become quite cheap in recent years. This is a compound sentence. You must not forget comma and the conjunction and. Computers can be very useful, comma, and they have become quite cheap in recent years. This is a compound sentence. In IELTS speaking, try to make sentences like this. If your target band is 7 and above, you can easily get that. Okay. All right. Now let's go on. After this, we've got one example of complex sentence. What is complex sentence? Computers can be very useful even though many people see them. Them means computers, not people. Many people see them as the reason for all the problems of the world. So what is it? Computers can be very useful even though, this is the main clause, even though many people see them as the reason for all the problems of the world. So this dependent clause is actually going back to independent clause, right? So this is what we call a complex sentence. And now we have compound complex. For target band 8 in writing, 8 in speaking, you need to demonstrate such type of sentences to the examiner. The sentence goes like, computers can be very useful if used correctly, comma, so I feel it is important that they are used in schools more. So, computers can be very useful if used correctly. This is one part. So, I feel it is important that they are used in schools more. So, these are 4 question types, and you need to go through these question types. Most important ones are compound and complex sentences. This is just a short video. You can watch some more videos on compound sentences, on complex sentences, and in your actual IELTS exam, in front of speaking examiner, on your writing answer sheet in actual exam, you must use such type of sentences. You will get good band score. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online and PTE all over the world, online and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my IELTS or PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. We offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. If you are interested, you can contact me for that as well. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck and your desired band score. Take care. Allah Hafiz.